Wagwan. Big up and respect. My people, in my point of view, I think that a person can be able to identify or tell which country a person might be from if you're familiar with the accent that the person used to talk. That's in my point of view. Alright, now here I'm going to present a video to you, and in this video you can hear a person saying certain words to police. And some of the words that the person said can be considered as harsh language or harsh words. I got the understanding that the video is being talked about for a certain amount of reasons. And let me present the video to you, and then if anything you can let me know what you think. Oh, please bear in mind that you can hear harsh language in this video, and some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
What? Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Me not why you ask me now. Me not blood clot leave, because when your friend say I'm gonna punch me in my face a while ago, you never said nothing to him. You stand up right there, make him a threat me, say I'm gonna punch me in my face for no reason. What kind of f***ing police you is?
Yo, yeah,
I'm
hear the
not
words
leaving,
there.
I'm getting the f***ing train. I'm getting the train. I'm getting the train. So blood clot touch me. Touch me. Go suck your suck your blood clot. You can't blood clot tell me that you want empty air? You want empty air? Boy, go suck your stink like go suck your go suck your I got my blood clot, so go suck out your go get arrested, go arrest your mama.
Wow. You know, one of those persons you see in a type of uniform did I move a certain type of way. I have to say to myself about wait. It looked like a person there. You know, it's like the person maybe, me not gonna jump to the conclusions because I don't know what a person did that thing. But the way the person that move, you know? And the person that move a certain way that made me assume something I don't really want to mention, but John know. Them words that really did harsh me people. Alright, so on to another topic now, my people. Zane, I'm going to present a video to you that had been recorded in Jamaica. And in this video, you can hear exchange of words between a person and police from within the country of Jamaica. My people, look and listen to the video for yourself and get a good understanding as to what the situation was about. You see me I say, oh, you can hear the word ticket mentioned in the video as well to viewers and subscribers. So I say that, I think you have a good idea what this video is about. Alright? Viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
Empty bar make the most noise. Can you have no name on them thing there, please? Name will be on the ticket, so can you have yours too? You're entitled to yours, but you're saying I'm an empty barrel making a lot of noise. I'm asking you guys if I can have your name. Well, as soon as the recording starts, you guys are as calm and quiet now. Can I have your name, please? So I can so can I have your name so I can contest it? As I said,
I am K ranking constable.
K ranking constable. Could I have your name as well? Because you were also saying that empty barrel make the most noise. Could I have your name as well, please? No. Can I repeat that name, please, sir? Victable constable. What did you say? It was?
Anything you want to say, the camera.
No, I didn't. I wasn't able to catch it. So can I have your name, please? Can I have your name?
Victable.
Good afternoon, miss. Could I have your name?
Pardon?
Could I have your name?
I'm not here.
I'm asking if I could have your name.
I'm not dealing with you. This man is getting the ticket, not you.
Relax. Can I have your name, please, miss? So you're taking out your phone and recording. Could I have your name, please?
You're recording this. I'm recording.
Yes, I'm asking if I could have your name. You're a police, so I'm asking if I can have your name. Alright, are you a lawyer, or can I give me your name as I'm asking? Because you pulled me over, I have a right to ask for the name of who's giving me a ticket, right?
I didn't pull you over, sir. The man pulled you over and give you
So you throw him on the bus? Yeah, throw him on the bus. Could I have your name, please?
Me pull you over, driver.
Yeah, but I told her there, sir, she literally, she didn't attack. She was talking a while ago saying that I was making a lot of noise and I'm empty barrel, and that's the reason why. Oh my God, almighty God. Oh my God. I don't have a valid insurance and I'm an empty barrel making a lot of noise. That's what you said, right?
Yeah, because you get
a red
light ticket.
I get a red light ticket if you go over the red light in a traffic. And me over the red light already, and you give me a ticket because me over the red light already and there's traffic on the road. Right?
Well,
and through the red light and there's traffic on the road and you're giving me a ticket for that. And this one that was just talking that I don't have, I'm an empty barrel, cannot give me your name. That's what you're doing, right?
I know what love the road.
Yeah, we have something more to say about the red light thing.
No, better relax now.
Well,
she did just be a big talk to me, empty barrel, and as the phone come out, it's silent. Silent, so that's up. So, it obviously a show. But not say a word, this will definitely be seen. Don't worry, right up a ticket, sir. You can give me a name, or you can't give me a name. Just there, agree with him. I said, there's no running a red light. Running a red light is going through it. If I'm in traffic, when the light goes on red, that cannot be red. That cannot be possible in any way possible, shape or form. Write a ticket, sir. You can't give me a name, but don't worry. The person who will see it will definitely have your name.
Yeah.
Don't worry. This is the norm now in Jamaica, you know? You go ahead to, I can video you to all the place, the red light right there at Samtra Square, a lot of traffic as you guys can see coming through the traffic, and these two great police officers pulled me over because I was through the red light in the traffic already, and then telling me that empty bars make the most noise because I am a dunce and you guys are fully smart.
Young man from Cornwall College is 25, 60.
Yeah. Wow. The funny thing is that I didn't know you could talk because after the camera came out, you got so silent. Oh my God. What do you mean? I am. I'm definitely. Hey, you have a document 30 minutes now. No? If we get, I should get to work from 11. What is that now? What is that now? 11:13, and you guys stopped me from 11:40. So I've been definitely complying. I've been definitely complying. That's very nice because at the end of the day, you guys are writing a ticket from 11:40, and you were talking. Can I have your name? Because I didn't know that you could talk. I didn't know that you could talk, honestly, because when I was asking for your name just now, you were quiet. But all of a sudden, you got a lot of vocals coming through, and I still can't have your name, right? This is Jamaica system. You guys are supposed to have your name. He gave his name, but you are there. Camera record. I didn't know that you work for TVJ, and you can't give your name. No, I work for the citizens that you guys always terrorize daily, right? Alright, that's who I work for. Because there's traffic there, and you're gonna tell me that because I'm stuck in traffic while the light is on red, I'm going to get a ticket.
Traffic doesn't give you a right to go.
Please let he talk to me, because as you said, you can't talk because you didn't pull me over. I'll know you can't give me your name. So let he pull me over and do the talking. Because you're just DJing right now, and I'm not getting any names from you. Like,
yeah.
I'll know to this point, 11:40, I'm there right here, so, and I'm still await on a ticket. Catch him on. Let me catch your face to see him. No, I don't know. I never know say you can license without insurance. I don't know. Remember say that empty barrel make nice, so I never know say you can't license without insurance. So I never know about that part because me a empty barrel. I never know that because me a empty barrel. So to my knowledge, I never know. I just say maybe should tell somebody on the phone so I got tax office go back and deal with it. So I bet they license without insurance, right? Because I am fully a dunce head that makes noise and I'm an empty barrel. No man, me there man, because up to this point I still can't hear your name. But you vocal at all.
You wish to sign for these 2 tickets?
Well, I wish to sign. Of course I will sign for those 2 tickets. I'm going to court.
Alright.
Tell them I'm a smart boy and you can't catch me so you know. I'm always running around because of how I look, you know. But I just that. Come on, give me let me sign it, sir. I love the smile for your face. Everyone will see that beautiful smile.
Alright, my people. I was not there. Me no see what go on. Me only go by words when me hear in the video. Sometimes as a driver or a motorist, you will drive a motor vehicle and pass a stoplight pan green while in a traffic. But because of the traffic, you might find you and your motor vehicle in the middle of an intersection. And then the stoplight might change to red. Or a different color, red, you know what I mean? You see? A 3 color. You see, but the point is, these things do happen. Now, I'm not pick up for nobody, but I just point out those things, my people. And on a real, me see and understand a situation like that. See me? But me can't go say boy, rare, blah blah, so forth. When me not there at a certain place. Must I point out that. See? So, as a motorist, or to each and every motorist, that ever happened to you yet? Leave a comment or comments in the comment section of the video and let me know what you think, my people. Alright? Yes, so I left it. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.